Yes, good morning students. So today we will start with list manipulation. Okay. So come on, tell me what is list? The definition. What is list? Yes. Definition. How can we define the list? List is collection of. चलो compare it with the string. बताओ string क्या है? String is the collection of. Yes, it is the collection of characters. Similarly, list is the collection of. Yes. See, string के अंदर characters नाम का एक ही टाइप चलता है. Okay, but list consists of any data type. So इसमें हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं? List can contain any data type. So this is the most interesting feature and very important feature about list. लिस्ट के अंदर जैसे स्ट्रिंग, अभी जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल स्ट्रिंग है, str is a string containing this hello world, है ना? So all the contents in this are yes characters. Okay, now characters can include numbers also, जैसे hello 1 2 3. Okay, so that much is possible. Okay, but list is a type where you can store the data of any data type. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, first of all it has to be enclosed within square brackets. It has to be enclosed within square brackets. Now collection of any data type, जैसे for example this is a, okay, character or string, then a number, okay, then a number, then a list itself, then it can also include tuple, anything. So see the variation. See list में क्या क्या है देखो, there is one character, we can call it as string also. Okay, this is a number, this is one list, this is one tuple. All these are included in one single list known as L. Okay, so this is the most important feature where one single data type can include the data of different data types. Okay, so this is very important list. Clear? One more interesting feature. What is it about list? Yes, it is mutable. So any data type plus it is mutable. What is the meaning of mutable? Can be changed, modified. Okay, mutable का meaning चाहिए तो आप लिख लो. It is modifiable. Can be modified. Okay, for example, we also know that list is a collection of elements of any data type separated by comma, enclosed within. Okay, so that makes the definition. Again, what is the definition? Collection of data of any data type separated by comma, enclosed within, that is list. Okay, so you can mention it in your books. Okay, now we also know that for accessing any element we need index. Yes, index लगता है. Yes, जैसे string में देखा था हमने. Yes, same तरीके के index यहाँ पे भी है. So it will be, this will be the zeroth index. Okay, this will be the first, this is second, this is third. See, I am underlining this. This is zeroth element, this is first element, this whole thing will be the second element, and this whole thing will be the third element. Okay, so now we can say that zeroth element of the list is a string, first element is a number, second element is a list, third element is a tuple. Now going to the factor mutable. Mutable means we can modify the given list. This is possible only in case of list. Tuple में ऐसा नहीं होता. Okay, so now see list. Now for example, if you can access any element, for example say 2, list of 2, meaning is we are accessing the second element of the list. What is the second element? 0 1 2. You can change this list to from xy to pq or maybe pqr. Okay, so what will be the list? After this, if you want to print the list, okay, अगर आपको लिस्ट प्रिंट करनी है तो व्हाट विल बी द आउटपुट? सी A, the zeroth element has not changed. Okay, the 1 has also not changed. The second element is changed. See, the second element of the list is changed and this is the new value. So what will be here? P, Q and R. Accordingly, the third element is also not changed like this. See, म्यूटेबल का एक और मीनिंग मैं बता रहा हूं, वो आप थोड़ा सा अच्छे से ध्यान में रखो. सी, म्यूटेबल का मीनिंग क्या होता है? चेंज करना. लेकिन उसको एक और वर्ड है, इट इज नोन एज, प्लीज राइट, इन प्लेस. इन प्लेस. नाउ द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस इन प्लेस इज, इन प्लेस का मीनिंग होता है जहां पे हम लोग चेंज कर रहे हैं वो वहीं पे सेव हो रहा है. यस, जहां पे हम लोग चेंज कर रहे हैं, द चेंजेस आर बीइंग सेव्ड इन दैट प्लेस ओनली. नाउ सी, L of 2 is changed, okay, and corresponding changes are saved in that particular list only. उसी के अंदर वो changes सेव हो गए. Okay, so therefore उसको क्या बोलते हैं? In place modifications. In place modifications. Okay, so see the earlier contents of L and the newest contents are different. Okay, so we are talking about the one single list which is being modified. Okay, so ये word also ध्यान में रखना है आपको. Okay, so instead of modification or changes, this word can also appear in the question. Do the in place changes. So you might not get confused ना, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. So in place also आपको ध्यान में रखना है. Okay, so is this clear? Okay, now we will move to creating the list. How the list is created? Yes, anyone? लिस्ट कैसे बनती है? सिंपल. ओके, see, L is equal to, we can show the empty list. What is this? Empty list. We can also call it as initialization. Initialization, because L is a list which we say that it is initialized as empty list. So what is this? This is empty list. Okay. Now initialization can also bring some elements. For example, we are talking about some new list, L1. L1 is equal to like this. This is also valid. लिस्ट पहली बार ही बन रही है लेकिन विद द एलिमेंट्स. ओके, यहां पे भी क्या हो रहा है? फर्स्ट टाइम डिक्लेयर हो रही है लेकिन एज एन एम्प्टी. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वैलिड स्टेटमेंट, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ वैलिड स्टेटमेंट. क्लियर? ओके, नाउ टेल मी अबाउट इफ दिस इज द लिस्ट. ठीक है, लिस्ट ऑफ, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका 11th क्लास है. 11 इज अ लिस्ट ऑफ ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स in the class. List of students in the class. Now if there is a new admission, what will the changes, what are the changes that is to be done? For example, 1 2 3 4 5 6, these many students are already in the class and a new admission bearing roll number 7 has entered in your class. So what will be the case? उस 7 नंबर वाले को आपके क्लास में एडमिशन देना है ना, तो कैसे करेंगे हम लोग? उसको इसमें ऐड करना पड़ेगा, है ना. उसके लिए नया क्लास बनता है क्या? नो. सो दैट इज नथिंग बट द बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ म्यूटेबल फीचर ऑफ द लिस्ट. इसी क्लास में आप एक एलिमेंट ऐड कर सकते हो. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल 11, व्हाट इज द इंडेक्स? So this is 0 1 2 3 4 5. So at what place we have to enter the element? Yes, very good. To the new position. New position में हम लोग क्या डालेंगे? उसका रोल नंबर. What is it? 7. So you will get 11 to be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay. Now assume that 2 and 3 are TC. Roll number 2 and 3 are TC. वो चले गए. तो we also have the feature of removing some element from the given list. Okay, and the list can also